Hello, smart learners. Welcome back to our English lesson series. This is the 9th video of English phrases for everyday speaking video series. Today, we're going to explore a practical and exciting topic: how to talk about hobbies and free time in English. Being able to express your interests and discuss leisure activities is a fantastic way to connect with others. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So, let's get started. When talking about hobbies, it's important to have a few key phrases and expressions at your disposal. Let's begin with some useful language to describe your hobbies. Let's see some examples. In my free time, I like blank in my free time. I blank every week. I am learning to. When I'm not working, I like to. You can start by saying, "One of my hobbies is," followed by the activity you enjoy. For instance, one of my hobbies is playing the guitar. This is a simple yet effective way to introduce your interests in conversation. Another way to express your hobbies is by using verbs such as I enjoy or I love, followed by the activity. For example, I enjoy hiking or I love reading books. These phrases show your enthusiasm and passion for your hobbies. Now, let's talk about how to ask others about their hobbies. Asking open-ended questions can help you initiate a conversation and learn more about the person you're talking to. You could ask questions like, "What are your hobbies?" or "What do you like to do in your free time?" These questions invite the other person to share their interests. Expressing your opinions about hobbies is another important aspect. You can say, "I find activity interesting," or "I think activity is fun." Sharing your thoughts on different hobbies can lead to engaging discussions and a deeper connection with others. Now, let's move on to discussing free time. It's always helpful to have some phrases ready to express how you spend your leisure time. One way to talk about your free time activities is by saying, "In my free time, I like to," followed by the activity. For example, in my free time, I like to go for walks, or in my free time, I enjoy watching movies. You can also use phrases like I often or I usually to describe your regular activities. For instance, I often hang out with friends, or I usually play video games. These phrases provide insights into your typical leisure routines. When you want to know how someone spends their free time, you can ask questions such as, "What do you do in your free time?" or "How do you usually relax?" These questions open up conversations and help you understand others' interests. Lastly, it's important to know how to discuss planning activities with others. You can use phrases like, "Would you like to?" or "How about?" to suggest different options. For example, "Would you like to go hiking this weekend?" or "How about watching a movie together?" And that concludes our English lesson on how to talk about hobbies and free time. Remember, having the right phrases and expressions at your disposal will help you engage in enjoyable conversations and connect with others on a deeper level. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more English lessons, and leave any questions or comments in the section below. Keep practicing and expanding your language skills. See you next time. Thanks for watching.